Hi guys, good morning. Currently it's 7 a.m. in the morning and I'll be having my breakfast. I'll see you later. Going to our breakfast. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. Wala pa ako sa ulirat nito. Pero kung makikita nyo naman, napakaganda ng view. Napakaganda ng weather. Thank you Lord for the weather at hindi umulan today. Magagawa namin yung activity namin ng maayos.
Wow!
Hi guys, good morning. Nandito ako ngayon sa Sunnyside Cafe. Ang ganda ng view. We have 1 hour lang para makapag-breakfast. Tapos may activity na kami for the day. I'll show you around maya-mayang konti.
Wait ko lang po yung order ko. Isang pinasal ikaw po at yung isang eggs. Yan yung isa ice coffee and ice na. Wala naman po tayong mga food allergy.
2,000 years later.
Parang sugar. Sarap. Tag-matcha na lang ako. Mga kinupas. Salpikaw. I ordered tuna salpikaw. Meron siyang decent amount of salpikaw, may mixed veggies parang ensalada, tas meron siyang 2 eggs, tas meron siyang java rice. At first, hindi ko napansin na tuna yung in-order ko kasi nga wala ako sa ulirat. All this time, akala ko beef siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, dinadamihan ko yung lagay ng tabasco kasi parang may something ako nalalasahan pero hindi pa nag-sink in sa akin. Siguro yung fishy taste yun. Dito ko na na-realize na hindi pala beef yung order ko. Tuna pala siya. So kung mapapansin nyo, dinagdagan ko siya ng pepper tsaka tabasco para mawala yung fishy taste niya. Pero don't get me wrong, kumakain ako ng fish paminsan-minsan. But this time kasi I'm expecting a beef. Overall, the experience is good. I will recommend this Sunnyside Cafe because of the view. Beachfront siya na breakfast. Decent din naman yung food niya. Itong food ko tsaka yung coffee ko is around 800 pesos. So hindi kami nag-avail ng breakfast sa hotel para ma-explore namin yung mga food dito sa Boracay. Thumbs up for me.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful?
Hi guys, activity number 2. Let's go! Going to Astoria for our second activity.
Currently at Astoria Station 1, dito yung meeting place ng mga water activity. So, today we're doing an island hopping by clock. So, mag-register muna kami dito before going to the boat.
Because you belong to batch 1. Early bird! Yeah! If you belong to batch 1, you belong this big boat, this cruise ship island. And because you are visiting here, from you everyone, we have our job here in Boracay. So thank you so much for coming here. Yeah! Nang dahil po sa inyo, may trabaho pa dito.
Ang init!
First activity namin is snorkeling. Nag-stop yung boat sa gitna ng dagat. Tapos, inalok kami kung gusto naming mag-snorkeling. May bayad yung snorkeling na gadget, 100 each.
I got a feeling that I can't explain. Everything around me is new again. Maybe I could fly if I could just spread my wings. Maybe I could fly if I could just spread my wings. I found 25 cents in my favorite jeans. Worked out.
Overall, na-enjoy ko tong snorkeling activity since bumili ako ng gadget, yung diving case for my Insta360 Go Ultra. So, na-ROI ko talaga siya dito. Currently, dumating kami dito sa Crystal Cove. Ito yung next stop nung island hopping. May bayad tong entrance dito sa activity na to. So, 300 siya. Pero sinama na namin siya ng binobook via Klook para hindi na hassle during the activity. So, sinasabi nilang ito yung bataan daw ng Boracay. Maganda yung scenery niya. So, makikita nyo later. Dito medyo nahihiya ako mag-video kasi nakatutok sa face ko yung camera. Tapos nakikita yung preview dun sa screen. Pero syempre, kinapalan ko yung mukha ko para mapakita ko sa inyo yung mga activities na ginawa ko during my Boracay trip.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine.
Paakyat kami ngayon dun sa taas. Doon merong mga tables and chairs. Ibibrief kami doon ng tour guide regarding sa mga bawal at saka pwedeng gawin during our stay in Crystal Cove. Then, ituturo niya rin yung mga picture spots.
Change natin yung angle para makita nyo yung nilalakaran natin.
Hi guys, currently at Cove Island kami. So, look at the view. I will give you montage later. Ikot ko kayo sa Cove Island. Tapos, papakita ko yung mga picture spots. See you!
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
So, meron siyang bangus, barbecue, shrimp, chicken curry, pancit, mixed vegetables, tsaka plain rice. So, at first, kala ko nga hindi ko magugustuhan tong food. Plan ko sana hindi na kumain ng lunch. Pero nung nakita ko yung food, very appetizing naman. And makakatipid ka ng lunch since libre siya from Klook. Buffet style yung breakfast niya. Unlimited yung food, yung sabaw, yung iced tea na kasama. Overall, okay yung food. Decent yung food. Since libre nga siya, makakatipid ka ng lunch, hindi mo na kailangan mag-purchase sa labas. So, I would recommend this island hopping tour by Klook. Kasi nga, sulit siya. Around 1,100 lang. Kasama na yung food. Tapos parang 5 hours yung activities. Let us all appreciate the calmness of the sea. Napakaganda ng dagat ng Boracay. We're here at Puka Beach. Thank you po. Thank you. Currently here at Puka Beach, may nag-alok sa amin ng mango banana. At first, hesitant ako kasi 400 yun. Pero nag-avail pa rin kami kasi ang sabi nila wala kasing kuryente dun sa island. They're using a generator. Okay na rin kasi may kasamang tables and chairs, pati umbrella. Nakatambay kami sa lilim all throughout. Thank you Lord sa magandang weather. 2, 1.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. It's in the.
We just finished our island hopping. Overall, I recommend this island hopping via Klook. 1,100 including the buffet lunch. Okay siya, less hassle, pupunta ka na lang doon sa spot. Thumbs up for me. After a tiring activity, nag-decide ako na mag-relax dito sa may jacuzzi sa may roof deck ng aming hotel. So, naka-view lang ako sa scenery while nakababad sa warm water ng jacuzzi. For our dinner, we went to Mezarap. Isa ito sa mga pinakamaraming food reviews dito sa Boracay. So, I got a mozzarella wrap and a meze 3. Kebabs, pork, chicken, and beef. Ang sarap ng food nila dito. Very light lang siya. Parang hindi ka mabubunsol dun sa food. So, itong mozzarella wrap, meron siyang mozzarella cheese, meron siyang karne, tsaka mga gulay. Tapos, exceptional yung mga sauces nila dito. May spicy, may yogurt, may garlic mayo. So, parang ano siya, parang shift siya dun sa mga nakainan ko previously here in Boracay. So, before kasi mas more on inasal. Pero ngayon nung na-try ko to parang babalik-balikan ko na. Ngayon nagigets ko na kung bakit sobrang hype ng Mezarap. Yung kebab nila dito is hindi masyadong malakas yung taste. Kumpara talaga dun sa mga Middle East country. Tolerable siya. Pero if you want the distinct taste, gagamitin mo talaga yung sauce para ma-achieve mo yung gusto mo. Very flexible siya sa Filipino palate. Overall, Mezarap is one of the best restaurant here in Boracay na na-try ko. Nagigets ko na ngayon yung hype kung bakit ganun kadaming tao nung pumunta kami. It takes us 2 attempts bago kami nakasecure ng seat para matikman tong food na to. Pagdating nung gabi, nag-inom lang kami ng konti, very light lang. Dito sa Uptown, may mga magagaling na banda, pati may fire dance. Ang gagaling ng mga fire dancer nila dito, boys buhay, grabe. May kumakain ng apoy, may naghahagis ng apoy, humahawak ng apoy, lumulunok ng apoy. Grabe ang fire dancer nila dito.
Don't stop, turn it up. 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 Sound the alarm. I'm coming.
Thank you, Lord, for this moment. Thank you, Lord, kasi nagagawa ako ang mga ganitong bagay. Maraming salamat sa blessings.